Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. If you are new here, I post tutorials and courses to help you learn everything from WordPress, website building to tech, AI, business, and many more. I have some exciting news today. YouTube recently rolled out a brand new way for creators to organize their education content. It's called the Courses tab. And I'm thrilled to say I now have it on my channel. You see, now I have this courses tab. Yeah, I just created the courses. Okay, over here, there's a courses tab now. So I'm very happy there's a course tab beside the playlist. And this is only for selected content creators, YouTubers. Not everyone has this course tab. Thank you, YouTube, for giving me this course tab. Okay, so what does exactly this course tab does? Think of it like your personal online school right on YouTube. Instead of digging through playlists or random videos, you now follow structured step-by-step courses. Okay, step-by-step courses. For example, like this, right? I actually put up all some of the WordPress. I'm going to put more content into my courses tab. So I actually organize like WooCommerce into one tab, and then WordPress in another tab. Okay, WordPress. Okay, look under here, courses tab. Okay, WordPress. Okay, so the courses tab. Okay, courses tab over here. Okay, so basically, it's like, as I mentioned, it's like your own online school. Okay, courses. Okay, courses are, yeah. So look out for the courses, which I'm going to put more courses, tutorials, anything that I have in mind, I will put it up. That might help you. Okay, basically it's like your online school right on YouTube. Instead of digging through playlists or random videos, you can now follow like structured step-by-step courses. Each course is actually organized into lessons in the correct order, and you can track your progress as you go. This isn't just for WordPress. Okay, I'm going to add more like tech, IT, AI, business, and many other areas. So whatever you want to learn, you will find a clear path in one place. So here's what made the course tab really powerful. Structured learning. Lessons are in order, so you always know what to watch next. Progress tracking, you can see how far you've come and pick up right where you left off. And then one thing is that there's going to be badges and visibility. I was reading there's going to be badges and visibility. Courses can get a special badge, making it easy to spot official learning content. And then I read that there's this quiz and discussion, interactive quiz and discussion. So yeah, I am going to explore that in future. So some courses can actually test your knowledge and ask questions and all those things. Okay, so basically now there's a dedicated course tab. Okay, in one convenient location. So how to use it? Basically, is go to the course, my channel, and then go to the course tab as what I show you now. The course tab right here, course tab right here. Okay, and then pick any of the courses that you're interested, and look for it and follow along accordingly. And visit. You can revisit any lessons anytime. Okay, so yeah. Okay, for those of you who are content creators and you are thinking, how Where do I find this course tab? In YouTube Studio. Okay, let me show you my YouTube Studio. It's over here. Over here. There's now a new course tab over here. Okay, if you're a content creator, you do courses, training, and education stuff, you're wondering how do I create a course tab like what I am doing now, is here. As I mentioned, it's not everyone has this course tab. So yeah, basically here. And then how do you actually create the courses like this, like what I did? Okay, basically there's this button, create button over here. Click here and then choose new course. And then you put your course title, course description, and then make it public. Okay, choose the language and then you add your related videos. Your related videos. Okay, you can choose related videos or you completely create a new video and then upload it. Okay, and then assign it to the course itself. So that's how to actually have your courses, your content assigned to courses tab. Yeah. So yeah, basically you can now create your own online personal learning academy on YouTube, and it's completely free. Okay, I'm so happy I got this course tab. So if you're ready to learn something new, WordPress, tech, AI, business, or more, check out the course tab on my channel today. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. To hit the subscribe button. Yeah, to like and subscribe to my channel for more tips and lessons, so you never miss a lesson, because I'll be adding new courses all the time. I'm super excited to bring this structured learning experience to you. It's going to make learning anytime online a lot easier. See you in the next lesson. Thanks. Like and subscribe. Share with others as well. Goodbye.